Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. It's late at night. We have a customer who has an emergency. He needs his car unlocked. He locked his keys in his car. I have a lockout kit. Gonna pay the emergency fee. All right, here we are across town. Gonna find the car in this parking lot and get her open. Well, at least these kinds are easy to open. You gotta be careful though. You can slide your little inflator mat right in there, put some water on it, make it easier to slide in. All right, that one's not gonna slide in quite as easy as I thought. Let's get this down here. If not, just use this wedge to pry it. It's plastic. All right, so basically I'm just gonna stick this wedge in here. Again, not super hard, don't wanna break the window. Pry it up just enough to put that mat in there. That's what it looks like. Just inflate it a little bit. Just enough to get my stick in there. Okay, now that we're right on the door lock, which is a little flip lever above the handle, all we gotta do is pull it open. All right, so the keys were actually on the driver's seat. I accidentally flipped them all the way over to the passenger seat, but it had an alarm. Normally it'll just go off when you open the car, but this one not only just went off, it wouldn't let me in the door. The keys were on the seat, so when I flipped them over here, I just pressed the unlock button rather than grabbing the doorknob, and that's a job well done.